guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to find music that you can find. Let's say you want to make Instagram story but you can't find the song that you're looking for. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix that issue for you to find the song that you're looking for your Instagram story. Without wasting any time, let's get into this video. First thing you want to do is you're going to go to your Instagram app. You want to find the song, but you can't find it. You want to post Instagram story, but you can't find a song that you're looking for your Instagram story. So like I'm going to show you how to do that thing. Okay, first thing you're going to click here on my story. You're going to click here. Okay, let's wait for a bit. Okay, let's wait for a bit. You're gonna click here on your story here. And after you're done, you're gonna go to the picture that you want to use for your story. Then, okay, you're gonna click here on this icon here on top here. Click here. And after you're gonna click here on music. Okay guys, we are here now. Let's say you want to use someone's music but you can't find it. Maybe it's Drake's song or maybe it's Chris Brown's song, but you can't find it. Nah. So like what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back. Then after you're done here, you're gonna click here on the bottom right icon here on the profile icon. And after here, you're gonna click here on this three lines here on top here. Click here. Then once you're done here, you're gonna go on settings. Then after you're done here, guys, you're gonna click here where it says account. Okay, then after you click here on account, then you're gonna scroll down. As you can see, guys, it says switch to professional account. So sometimes, let's say if it says switch to personal account, it means your account was professional. So like what you want to do is you have to switch to personal account so that you can see some other songs, because if your account is professional account, you won't see all the music there, guys. So if your account is professional, there's some other things that you can see, guys, like music, because this account is strictly for business, like maybe you are selling some stuff on Instagram and etc. So like you have to switch your account to your personal account so that you can access all this music that you're looking for, guys. That's how easy it is, guys, to unlock other music that you're looking for, guys. So if you're done switching to a personal account, then you can go back to your story to post with any song that you want. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more videos like this. Thank you guys.